Hello friends, welcome to Supreme Education. Through this video, we are going to learn factorizing a number into its prime factors. Also we'll learn greatest common divisor, that is GCD, or that means highest common factor, that is HCF. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण दिलेल्या नंबरचे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स कसे लिहायचे तसेच दिलेल्या 2 किंवा 3 नंबर्सचे ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवायझर किंवा हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर कसा काढायचा याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. So let us start with factorizing a number into its prime factors. A simple but important rule given by mathematician Euclid is often used to find the GCD or HCF and LCM of numbers. The rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. कोणत्याही नंबर्सचा GCD किंवा HCF आणि LCM काढण्यासाठी मॅथमॅटिशियन युक्लिडने एक छान नियम शोधून काढलेला आहे. The rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. म्हणजेच कोणताही कंपोजिट नंबर हा प्राइम नंबर्सच्या प्रॉडक्टच्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिता येतो. कोणताही कंपोजिट नंबर हा प्राइम नंबर्सच्या प्रॉडक्टच्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिता येतो. I'll explain this by using one example. Now look at these three numbers, that is 12, 35 and 100. These are composite numbers. And according to Euclid, composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. Therefore 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Here 12 is a composite number and 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Therefore composite number is written as product of prime numbers. Now 35 is a composite number. 35 is written as product of prime number, that is 5 and 7 are the prime numbers. Same for 100. 100 is a composite number and 100 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. And here 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. Therefore composite number can be written as product of prime numbers. Now there are two methods to find prime factors of a given number. And these two methods are vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. I'll explain these two methods by using one example. कोणत्याही नंबरचे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स काढण्यासाठीच्या दोन पद्धती आहेत. त्या दोन पद्धती म्हणजेच व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट म्हणजेच उभी पद्धत अँड होरिझॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट म्हणजेच आडवी पद्धत. आपण काही उदाहरणे घेऊन या दोन पद्धतींचा अभ्यास करूया. Example, find prime factors of 40. We'll find prime factors of 40 by using vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. First we'll see vertical arrangement. First write 40 here and draw a vertical line in front of it and draw few horizontal lines. Now start with 2. Check 40 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 40 is divisible by 2 and the quotient is 20. Means 2 into 20, that is 40. Means divisor is here and quotient is here. Now check 20 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 20 is also divisible by 2 and the quotient is 10, that is 2 into 10, that is 20. Hence 2 will be here and 10 will be here. Now check 10 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 10 is also divisible by 2 and 2 into 5, that is 10. Yes, 2 will be here and quotient 5 will be here. Now check 5 is divisible by 2 or not. No, 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 3. 5 is not divisible by 4. But 5 is divisible by 5 itself. Hence 5 into 1, that is 5. Therefore 5 will be here and 1 will be here. That divisor 5 is here and quotient 1 is here. Hence 40 can be written as 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. This 40, which is a composite number, can be written as product of its prime factors. that is 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. पुन्हा एकदा मराठीत सांगतो. 40चे आपल्याला प्राईम फॅक्टर्स मिळवायचे आहेत. मग 40ला 2ने डिवाइड करता येते का, 2ने डिवाइड करता येतं का, तर हो. कितीचा भाग जातो, तर 20चा. 2 into 20 that is 40. 2 इकडे लिहिले, 20 इकडे लिहिले. आता 20ला 2ने डिवाइड करता येतं का, तर होय. कितीचा भाग जातो, तर 10चा. 2 इथे लिहिले, 10 इथे लिहिले. पुढे 10ला 2ने डिवाइड करता येतं का, तर हो. कितीचा भाग जातो, तर 5चा. दॅट इज 2 into 5 दॅट इज 10. म्हणून 2 इथे लिहिले, 5 इकडे लिहिले. 5ला 2ने भाग जातो का, नाही. 3ने भाग जातो का, नाही. 4ने जातो का, नाही. तर कितीने जातो, तर 5नेच जातो, 5नेच जातो. म्हणून कितीचा भाग जातो, तर 1चा. 5 इकडे लिहिले, 1 इकडे लिहिला. म्हणून 40चे प्राईम फॅक्टर्स येतील 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we'll move towards horizontal arrangement. For that 40 can be expressed as 10 into 4 and 10 can be written as 5 into 2 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. See again, 40 can be written as 10 into 4, 10 can be written as 5 into 2 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Therefore 40 can be written as 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is same as vertical arrangement. These answers are same but the method is different. Now for horizontal arrangement 40 can be expressed in different way. That is 40 is equal to 8 into 5. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 is itself prime number. Therefore 5 is as it is. For 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Means these three answers are same, but the methods are different. Vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. You can use any method to solve examples. This is about factorizing a number into its prime factors. Now we'll move towards next point, that is GCD or HCF. Greatest common divisor, in short it is called GCD, or highest common factor, in short it is called HCF. Meaning of these two is same. First we will find out meaning of GCD or HCF. आपण बरीच उदाहरणं सोडवतो, आपल्याला मेथड माहिती असते, कशी सोडवायची माहिती असतात, उत्तर काढतो, पण नेमकं आपण हे उत्तर काय काढलंय हे माहीत नसतं. त्यासाठीच आपण GCD आणि HCF म्हणजे नेमकं काय याचा अभ्यास करूया, मग आपण एक्झाम्पल्सकडे वळूया. आता इथे 18 and 24 या दोन संख्या आहेत. 18 and 24 या दोन संख्या आहेत. या दोघांचं आपल्याला GCD काढायचं आहे. आता GCD म्हणजे नेमकं काय काढायचं आहे, तर असा डिवायझर काढायचा आहे किंवा असा नंबर शोधायचा आहे ज्याच्या पाढ्यात हे दोघेही नंबर येतील आणि तो नंबर सगळ्यात मोठा असायला हवा. दॅट शुड बी ग्रेटेस्ट और हायेस्ट. विल फाइंड आउट. नाउ फाइंड आउट 18 and 24 are divisible by 2 or not? Yes, 18 and 24 both are divisible by 2. But 2 is not GCD. Since 18 and 24 are divisible by 3 also. But 3 is also not GCD. Since 18 and 24 are divisible by 6 also. Now 6 is the GCD or HCF of 18 and 24. Since 6 is the biggest or greatest or highest number or highest common divisor of these two. 6 पेक्षा मोठा फॅक्टर या दोघांचा, 6 पेक्षा मोठा कॉमन फॅक्टर या दोघांचा नाही आहे. म्हणून 6 हा या दोघांचा ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवायझर किंवा हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर असेल, म्हणजे GCD किंवा HCF असेल. Now we'll solve some examples of GCD or HCF. Now here again there are two methods to find GCD or HCF. First one is prime factor method and second one is division method. Now here we'll see prime factor method. Now one example is given. Find the HCF of 24 and 32 by the prime factors methods. Now here we have to find prime factors of 24 and 32 first and then we'll find GCD. Now 24. 24 is divisible by 2, that is 2 into 12 is 24. Again 12 is divisible by 2, 2 into 6, that is 12. 6 is divisible by 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 3 is not divisible by 2, but 3 is divisible by 3 itself, that is 3 into 1 is 3. Hence prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, 32 is divisible by 2, 2 into 16 is 32, 16 is divisible by 2, 2 into 8 is 16, 8 is divisible by 2, 2 into 4 is 8, 4 is divisible by 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 is divisible by 2, that is 2 into 1 is 2. Hence prime factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, these are the prime factors of 32. Now these prime factors are calculated in this example by using vertical arrangement as well as horizontal arrangement. Vertical arrangement as well as horizontal arrangement. While solving examples in your exam, you can use any one arrangement, either use vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement. इथे सर्वात प्रथम 24 आणि 32 चे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स काढलेले आहेत. त्यासाठी वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट या दोन्ही पद्धती वापरलेल्या आहेत. परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्ही कोणतीही एक पद्धत वापरून प्राइम फॅक्टर्स काढू शकता. Now these are the prime factors of 24 and these are the prime factors of 32. Now we have to find HCF or GCD of 24 and 32. And to find GCD, we have to find common factors of these prime factors and underline these common factors. Now here 2 is common in these two factors 3 times. 3 times 2, 3 times 2. Therefore, HCF of these two numbers is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. या दोघांच्या प्राइम फॅक्टर्स मध्ये जे कॉमन प्राइम फॅक्टर्स आहेत त्यांना फक्त अंडरलाइन केलेली आहे. म्हणजे 2, 2, परत एकदा 2, 2, पुन्हा एकदा 2, 2. आता इथे उरला 3, पण इकडे 3 नाहीये. आणि इथे उरले 2, 2, पण इकडे 2 अजून नाहीयेत. त्यामुळे इथे कॉमन फॅक्टर्स येतील 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Hence HCF is equal to 8. HCF साठी आपण आणखी 2 उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करूया. Example, find the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Now 60 can be expressed as the product of prime factors as 60 is equal to 4 into 15. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Therefore 60 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 12 can be written as 2 into 6 and 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Hence 12 can be written as product of prime factors as 2 into 2 into 3. Now 36 can be written as 3 into 12. That is 3 into 12 means 3 into 4 and 4 means 2 into 2. Therefore we get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore these are the prime factors of 60, 12 and 36. Now find out common factors in these three factors. Now here 2, 2, 2 is common in these three. Therefore it is underlined. Again 2, 2, 2 is common. Therefore it is also underlined. And 3, 3, 3 is also common, therefore it is underlined. Hence HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. Therefore HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is 12. म्हणजेच इथे 60 चे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स असे लिहिले 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 12 चे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स 2 into 2 into 3. and 36 चे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. या तिन्ही प्राइम फॅक्टर्समध्ये 2, 2 आणि 3 हे कॉमन प्राइम फॅक्टर्स आहेत. तिघांमध्येही कॉमन आहेत. म्हणून या तिघांचा HCF येईल 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. आता इथे HCF वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंटने सुद्धा काढता येईल. कसा काढता येईल पाहूया. वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंटमध्ये 60, 12 and 36 हे एका रेषेत लिहिले. 60, 12 and 36 ज्यांचा आपल्याला HCF काढायचा आहे. आता या तिघांनाही 2 ने डिवाइड करता येतं का? तर हो. 2 into 30 is 60, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 18 is 36. आता 36 and 18 या तिघांनाही 2 ने परत डिवाइड करता येईल का? तर होय. That is 2 into 15 is 30, 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 9 is 18. आता 15, 3 आणि 9 या तिघांनाही 2 ने डिवाइड करता येईल का? तर नाही. 3 ने डिवाइड करता येईल का? तर हो. Hence 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. Now these 5, 1 and 3 are prime numbers. Therefore these 3 can't be divided by any other number. Therefore we'll stop here. Hence HCF of these two numbers is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. Hence HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is 12. This is about prime factor method to find GCD or HCF of numbers. Thank you.